Hey followers, if you're still following my channel, I wanted to give you a video of what the new 60 does on this Fishrite hull. I'm impressed, but I'm not impressed. I think the 40 is still a better way to go in this motor. I do have a lot more mid-range, but as far as top speed goes, with the 14 pitch Black Max prop, the best I've done is about 32 out here, and I do have a 14 pitch Vengeance stainless prop I forgot to bring. I guess I'll try that out next time I come up here. I'm at Ponderay. It's pretty flat. It's pretty nasty this morning. No bites. I was trying for Lakers and big trout, but if you're here, you're watching this video, purpose of the video is to see how fast this 60 goes. And let's give it a shoot. It's pretty flat. Perfect conditions to test. I will trim it out here. On the fence, I'm running 40, 50, or 60. Save the weight, run the 40. Like I said, the mid-range, it does throw it up on plane pretty quick. The Tohatsu kicker, a little over, almost 425 hours on it. It's got some issues now. The RPMs go up and down, about 1500 to 1800. I'll have to see, maybe it's time for a valve adjustment. It's 500 hours. Any questions, comments? Thanks for watching.